so fun.
After a few times of postponing because weather or something else, but we're finally spontaneously going today.
It's gonna be 79 degrees.
That's the day to do it before they turn rainy and cold tomorrow. Yay, Audrey!
Yeah.
This is your pre-zoo video.
Pre-zoo, woo!
Before you have a understanding what the zoo is. I'm so excited. And I'm nervous too, because we're not bringing a stroller, and we're just taking the mini-me, a backpack, and then taking the bus and the metro to get there.
She talked me out of hitchhiking.
First time the two of us get to hold our hand and walk together.
She's enjoying it.
So much. That's right, that's the elephant. That's Xiang.
That's it. Do you see their big ears flapping? Look at those ears. They're eating their lunch. They're having lunch.
Baba.
Yeah, Baba.
Baba.
You see the elephants over there? Look how big they are. One is finishing his lunch.
Yeah, that's the elephant.
That's the elephant, babe.
That's right. You say she easily made the connection?
She doesn't need to look at the toys that we brought to know that it's
And
the elephant.
Oh, it's right
Wow,
here.
he's drinking water up here.
Oh, that's so cool. That's how it's drinking water.
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
They drink it up their nose.
Wow. Wow, that's so cool. A male and a female elephant.
Hi, Miss Elephant.
Audrey's so mesmerized.
Hi, Mrs. Elephant. Look at her big ears, those big flapping ears.
You want to be drinking water with them too?
This one. There he is. Yeah, there he is. You see him. Is that good, babe?
Got a strawberry one and a taro one.
Very good.
You want a taro one?
Neither one is that sweet, though.
Yeah, it's not that sweet. Like,
You
I
like
want
this
the
one?
other one.
I want the sweet one.
Strawberry one.
Want to hold it? Want to try it? Wanna try this one?
你要自己拿吗 Audrey wants to hold it yourself.
Most places it's like gluten non-stop, so
And
this
this?
place has only stuff that's edible.
And then you say, what a snack.
What a snack! It's
And we have
amazing.
2 bananas natural guava juice. Father daughter eating a treat. So nice. She really wants to hold it yourself.
You can hold it at the end, honey. Wow. So close.
So close.
Wow.
It looks mesmerized. They're eating right here, right in front of Audrey. And she wants to climb over. You got a hand on her.
You gotta see this. Hippos.
So cool.
They're called river horse.
That's right. Come
Hippopotamus.
Babe said, babe, you'll never believe these things exist.
Look at those things.
That's wild. This is so intense.
So scary.
That's really good. I thought I was recording, but it really is good. Wow. You're tired. 犀牛. It's a rhinoceros. I can't let you go in, honey. 3 of us seeing rhinos.
Wow.
Audrey is very interested. There's a big one over there.
That's a rhino, Audrey.
And there's another one over here. Shino. Oh, they disappeared. You can't see them anymore. 不见了。他们跑走了。You got your piggy
They
and
found
your
more
bear.
animals at the zoo.
Piggy and your bear.
Bear.
That's right.
Yay.
还有小猪呢。
Oink, 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 oink.
Piggy. Oh, it's nap time. Your bear and your piggy. You're so happy to see them. We're seeing another elephant. Doing tricks. Audrey wants to be doing tricks with this elephant. Whoa, 大象 some grass. 好长的鼻子。大象。That's right.
爸爸，
大象。
爸，弟弟
好大 it's so big.
啊，爸，
大象 that's right.
弟弟，
大 it's so big. It's going in the water. 要去玩水。喝水 yeah, it's drinking water. 喝水 standing on the shore. And there's Daddy. Hi, honey bunny. Is it nap time? Do you want your shoes off and take a nap?
Try this one.
弟弟，
鞋子也要脱掉，这个也要脱掉。Someone's so tired. We got penguins, honey. I asked her if she wanted to go see penguins, and right away she goes with enthusiasm.
talking to the penguins. Wow.
Yay! Babester is.
Sleepy bit.
Oh, I'm tired. She hasn't napped all day. Gondola ride.
Floated. Flying through the air. She's not as excited.
Audrey wants to squeeze some lime on
Do
her
you want to squeeze
salmon.
some on the big salmon? Do you want to squeeze some on me? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze it hard. Yeah, thank you, honey. It's big.
That's so helpful. You want to squeeze some
You want to do
more?
more? Can I help? Will you help
You
me
want to
do
do
it?
it yourself?
Will you help me do it? Squeeze it. Oh, will you help me? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. There it is. Oh, squeeze it. Yeah, squeeze
thank
it.
you.
There we go. Thank you, honey.
She can do it. You can do it yourself. That's so nice.
It's big. Thank you, honey.
We're halfway down the mountain. Another gondola ride. And Audrey's awake this time. Oh yeah, we're gonna go into the abyss. That looks so scary. Oh my god. Reminds me of Jurassic Park so much today. That's so cool. Audrey beat for daddy.
That's right.
We're out.
Here we
Now
go.
Metro.
Yeah.
Where's the moon? That's the car.
Where's the moon, honey? Do you see the moon? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Will you help me be?
collection. That's fun. She saw herself. Super long. We're on a metro reviewing what we saw today. Oh, the tire bunny. What did you want to see?
Oh, butterfly. There's a butterfly there. And penguins. And doggies. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And kitty. Meow, 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 meow. And zebra. Do you remember when we saw the zebra today? And elephants. We saw elephants. We saw lions today. Roar. And we heard the lion. Remember when he growled? We saw a tiger. We saw a tiger today. We saw the monkey today. We saw flamingo. We saw alligator. We saw turtle. We saw hippo. We saw swan.